Children, I am once again for you all. I am here today to prepare a video of class 11th. My name is Mahendra, PGT Accounts, faculty of Mahendra Z School. In the last class, I have explained you the very basic of accounting. I explained you the first chapter, and we will be continuing with the same chapter today also. Meaning and objectives of accountancy. In the last class I explained you what are the objectives of accountancy, what is accounting. I have explained you the definition of accounting. Now today we will be moving a bit further. Actually, since this subject is new, we will be moving step by step. We will not be in a hurry so that your basic concepts are not clear properly. Okay, so today I am going to explain you accounting cycle, how transaction takes place. So first of all, suppose there is one transaction, goods purchased for cash, rupees 5,000. So when goods are purchased for cash, suppose rupees 5,000, that means this will be called a transaction, that the transaction is being made here. After the transaction, first of all, that transaction is recorded in a journal. Now journal is a sort of diary, or you can say a memorandum book, but in accounting language it is also called day book. You can call it memorandum book, or you can call it simple diary, day book. Okay, so the basic thing is that first the transaction is recorded in the day book. From there it is recorded in different types of books. These are books of original entry, or you can record them in journal. If your business is not that much big, you need not prepare these books, but your business is quite big, it is spread in various cities. अगर बिजनेस छोटा है तो जर्नल, लेजर, ट्रायल बैलेंस और ट्रेडिंग पीएनएल से हम काम चला लेंगे. लेकिन जैसे जैसे बिजनेस, कोई भी व्यक्ति ये नहीं चाहता, nobody wants to limit their business. Everybody wants कि झांसी में एक ब्रांच है, उसके बाद ग्वालियर में, फिर आगरा में, फिर मथुरा में, फिर दिल्ली में, फिर यहाँ, फिर वहाँ, यहाँ, सब जगह ब्रांचेस खुले. तो फिर हमें ट्रांजेक्शन को बांटना पड़ता है. कैश बुक, परचेज बुक. Only cash transactions are recorded in cash book. Purchases book, credit purchase is recorded. Sales book, credit sale. Credit मतलब उधार. There will be two terms used in your accounting. DEBIT. Short form is DR and CREDIT. That is CR. Now, डेबिट का मतलब होता है कि ये तीन रूल्स हैं, गोल्डन रूल्स, दैट आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू लेटर. अभी डेबिट क्रेडिट समझिए. तो जितने भी क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन हैं, उधार वाले ट्रांजैक्शन हैं, ठीक है, उधार वाले ट्रांजैक्शन हैं, उनको हम परचेज बुक में लिखेंगे. अगर परचेज का हुआ, सेल्स का हुआ तो सेल्स बुक में लिखेंगे. अब कोई कस्टमर जिससे हमने गुड्स बेचे हैं, उसके गुड्स खराब निकल गए, वो हमें लौटा देगा, वो कहलाएगा सेल्स रिटर्न. हम वही गुड्स बीइंग अ शॉपकीपर खराब निकल गए तो हम प्रोड्यूसर को लौटा देंगे या होलसेलर को लौटा देंगे, तो वो कहलाएगा परचेज रिटर्न. को कभी कभी गुड्स हमें उधार पे भी देने पड़ते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम ये करेंगे कि हम उससे बिल पे साइन करवा लेंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड बिल्स रिसीवेबल बुक. Then another bills payable book. Then the last is journal proper. So first of all, I will be explaining you the chapter journal. But before that, I will be explaining you the three golden rules. Okay. So before moving to the golden rules, let me explain this accounting cycle to you. This accounting cycle is related to a sole proprietor. 11th क्लास में जो आप अकाउंट्स पढ़ेंगे, जो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटेंसी अकाउंटिंग जो आप पढ़ेंगे, वो सोल प्रोप्राइटर की पढ़ेंगे. 12th क्लास में आपकी पार्टनरशिप है, कंपनी अकाउंट्स है, वो सारी चीज़ें. फिलहाल अभी हम 11th तक ही सीमित रखते हैं. तो जर्नल हमने बनाया, लेजर बनाया, लेजर के बाद हमने ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाया. अब ट्रायल बैलेंस का नाम ट्रायल क्यों है? क्योंकि अगर हम फाइनल अकाउंट्स तक पहुंच गए, वहां कुछ गलतियां निकल आती हैं, तो it would be very tiresome and troublesome for us टू फाइंड आउट द मिस्टेक। तो एक हम ट्रायल बैलेंस बना लेते हैं ये देखने के लिए कि हमारा डेबिट और क्रेडिट टैली कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, फिर जाके हम फाइनल अकाउंट्स बनाते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये पूरी साइकिल चलती है। अगर हमने बताया बिजनेस बड़ा है तो हम ये बुक्स को जाएंगे, नहीं तो सीधे जर्नल के बाद लेजर, ट्रायल बैलेंस और पीएनएल, अगर बिजनेस छोटा सा है हमारा। ठीक है, सो नाउ वी विल बी स्ट्रेट अवे मूविंग टू द 3 golden rules. Okay. So I was telling you about the golden rules of the account. So before that I told you, suppose this is Mr. Sundar Lal. He is Mr. Sundar Lal and he has started a business. So first of all in his business he is going to prepare a day book, a journal. And journal he is going to prepare not according to his whims and fancies. Actually we are studying double entry system. Okay, double entry system says that one account is going to be debited, another account is going to be credited. Okay, so in these golden rules we are going to learn that first of all classification of accounts: personal account and impersonal account. Personal accounts are related to individual firm, individual company, individual proprietor. Example: account of Mohan, account of DCM Limited, account of Sundar Lal and Company. Okay. Impersonal account are of two types. First is real account and second is nominal account. So real account are those whose value can be measured in terms of money. Example: cash account, furniture account, machinery account, which are real. After selling which we will be getting some money, yani which realize something. Okay, nominal account. These accounts include the accounts of all expenses and incomes. Example: suppose we are paying salary. We are paying salary, so this is the expense. We are paying rent. This is again expense. We are allowing discount to our customers. This is again an expense. Now we are receiving commission from somewhere. We are receiving interest from somewhere. So this is your nominal account. So there are 3 rules. What is the rule for personal account? So the rule for personal account is debit. I told you 2 terminology we will be using: debit and credit. Double entry system comprised of the debit, what comes in, credit, what goes out. So rule of personal account says debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now rule of real account says that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, and the last one is rule of nominal account. It says debit all expenses and little bit space left, losses and credit all income and gains. So it was already mentioned over here कि salary we are going to debit. If suppose we are going to pay some salary, the entry will be salary account debit. Suppose we are paying 500 to cash. In cash we are paying, so cash will be credited because debit on expenses. So salary is an expense, we have debited, and what is going out, real account, credit what goes out, so cash is going out. Okay, so this is all for today, children. These are the basic concepts. In the next class I will be teaching you, I will be explaining you how to do entries in journal. We will be doing some basic entries. That's all for today. Okay, thank you, children. Have a good day.